calling the sun because there is still one. The entire morning, the entire sky was lighted, and it was morning time again. And from this, the animal became extremely happy, and they understood the need of sun, the need of light. Yes, friends, we demean people, we demean animals, sometimes with their roles, with their sizes, but even a rooster till now is known to call out in the morning, and thus the rooster calls with the sunrise, and it's morning again. Morning shows the day. It's not only for morning shows the day, but also all is well that ends well. Yes, in the jungle there, all went well, all ended well because the animals could finally see. But there was a short time also when they had been friends, when they cooperated. And now, as the sun again was back there, they went back to their own roles. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed this. Stay tuned. Do subscribe. Bye-bye.